Today we're looking at some aspect of coordinate geometry. Alright, so let's go. So first they ask us to find the gradient. So all we have to do, guys, is just first label each point. So these are two endpoints. So let us label them. So we can call this one x1 and y1. We're gonna call b x2. We just want to differentiate between both of them and y2. So now we have that out of the way. Now the gradient is basically the slope. So it would be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Alright, so all we have to do is just put in these. Y2 is 10 minus y1, which is 4, and then we divide it by x2, which is 4 minus 2. Can I color code it so you guys can have it easier? 10 minus 4 is 6, and we divide 4 minus 2. So the gradient would be 3. Alright, so that's the first part of it. Now we want the coordinate of the midpoint. Now the coordinate of the midpoint is just halfway between the x points and halfway between the y points. So all we have to do is say x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and put a comma as a coordinate, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And we just fill in the blanks and that's it. So x1 is 2, so that's 2 plus 4 divided by 2. y1 is 4 plus 10 divided by 2. So this would give us 6. So this would give us 6 divided by 2 and 414 over 2. So our final answer would be 6 divided by 2, which is 3, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So this would be the coordinate of the midpoint, and this would be halfway, or you cut the graph in exactly 2. Alright, so let's look at the length of the line. So the length of the line is defined by this. So it's x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, and all over the square root. So we could just fill in them. We can get this information from the gradient because we already did this. y2 minus y1, that work out to 6. And alright, so let's put in there. So this works out to x point work out to 2. So we don't have to do it all over again. So that would be 2 squared plus this work out to 6. So that's 6 squared. And of course, you probably need a calculator for this. So this would give us 36. 2 squared is 4. So it would be the square root of 40. Where's my calculator? Alright, so it's gonna be 6 point something. So 6, 36. You guys can fill in that. Alright. So now we need the equation of the line. Now to obtain the equation of the line, we're gonna put it in this form. Y equal mx plus c. So only thing we need is the y-intercept. We already calculated the gradient, which was 3. So m represent the gradient. Alright. So we can take any one of the points and substitute. So we're going to use the point 2 and 4. So that's point A. So y is 4. So we'll just put 4 here. Gradient is 3. So we can put in the 3. X is 2. So we put 2. All we have to do now is solve for c, and voila, that's the answer. So 3 times 2 that is 6. So all we have to do now is subtract 6 from both sides. So C is equal to 4 minus 6. So C is equal to -2. This is the y-intercept. So all we have to do now is to put in we know. So let's go. The equation of the line will be y equal m, which is the gradient, that's 3. The y-intercept, which is -2. So that would be the equation of the line. Tell me if math's hard, guys. Come on, let's go. Maths is not hard. Alright? So thank you guys so much for watching. Mr. Lennox Bennett, appreciate you all. I will see you guys in another video. I'm out, no doubt. Guys, ensure that you are subscribed. Ensure that you like the video. Ensure that you share the video with others so they can get the benefit. Alright?